Good afternoon, my dear students. Today is 31st August. Today is the last day for the month of August. And from tomorrow, you'll be starting with the first day of September. That means your exams are very near. I'm not sure how many is 13 the exam. And that right, so you have only 13 days in your hands. I'm trying to from the Kitangai and subject subject mangani. As you manga to the Queen and Tomatam the per subjected the mechanic fange. Only 2 to 3 days. 3 days sudre. 2 days Budikitan Heli, the Tagasu 3 days Sudre Natra. Sudra Banina, what I mean to say is that please do not waste your time. Come, at the Mangan Lagano, a Quinata Iban Nariba question sing said, please go through it and be prepared for your midterm exam. The Kagitum to Siam Sana Labor Honoka. The Kogi timetable, Sidul Yam to the Pitorani, and Tarabaisa, routine Pitorani, and the routine Matumina, prepare to Bohora. But beforehand, routine Pitoring done a quite important subject, Kudingi, suggestion, the important questions in Pitokre. The Kang Dabakotaba labor sing so Amtakanamta, response like Renatra, response like Ramina. What I mean to hear. And hiding is a kind of you are able to understand the discussion. When a nari bapi, the question sing dog, Kangmanga me, Haina Quina low record there. And Tarvaisa Aduna Makasa Tajango, Chelaba say, and the Ki Hangbea with the Kitang, what liquor, Adu Katang to the sanction of one. So today is 31st August 08 2021. So today is Tuesday. Today, Garang exercise 6.2 Hogre. Question number 2 Today we'll be starting with question number 3. Question number 3 the Hogre Natra. Yareka. Shall we start our Sri Arba? Everyone got a day? Yareka. Question number 3 the Yanara today. Can you are given a figure that is 6.30 ka. 6.30 the figure में पीरे. There AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD ka. And angle ZED pire. You also find the three angles. Angle ahum puto hai ka. And then let's draw the figure first. Figure to hane ek to si. So the figure ye matung da man hari sino kai kai na yang asi ka. Figure has to be always time draw on your left side ka. Left side to matung tiya ka damani. Then what is that figure? Okay, so let's name it ka. This will be your F, this is your G, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, this is E. So P is the So given the what are the things given here in the questions, question the P is things given the na AB is parallel with Kanano CD. So EF is perpendicular to CD. The angle P is angle ZED is equal to 126 degrees. So angle AGE then angle ZEF then the last one is FGE. See how the concept they are going to use here. The concept is parallel lines with the transversal transversal na parallel line the same angle sing relation to first of all come angle AGE. Mana identify the A B have a line C lane A B siga C this ka parallel way na pire ka adu matlab kai lane E F se perpendicular to kanadana C D the perpendicular way re ana stage to way ni ka then G E D pire G E D is which one G E D is total ka calculate was 126 semika the hangisna kanano AGE AGE means AGE C angle cinema na hana putuari se yan daraba angani ka atadi with respect to figure I use kitang sida sanai na matian yore ka kitang khang to ke ma to be very clear yam siang na ka si line kitang khang to ke yam lai ba question ni krisu lu banate ka chenga sida kana le dei na e le dei ni tata de ma ai khoi na puri ba figures ta ke dore A B C ka C this ka parallel way re way ba way ta ga di AGE have angle se kana kari siange mana piram le ba question si ga yu ka AGE is which one this angle ka C ka C kai tar e kana no GED angle mu piram bra piram ba ka kai tar ke no this form a alternate pair sempre no semika ade koi na kari khang re transversal amana parallel line the alternate angle sema ku sing to mane na khangri ka adu dan AGE will be how much this will be equal to 126 degree yan dai ka adu ito se nga solution da kari pire we knew that koi kari khanga ba alternate angle formed by a transversal on parallel lines are equal. See the tra? And that is that here and another AB is parallel with CD and GE is act as a transversal aduna alternate angle kana tare se angle AGE is equal to angle GED tumika anasi kya tare se 126 degree yan taraba an bazima kutoba first one is done and ka second kana ga GEF that means this small angle and double kab ye ka side ke daraba total GE daki aina FED khai do ki tar si le mo redra nira le mo ni ka aduna kai da se number 2 da la is kana no again kana ne sa GED is equal to kana no angle GEF plus angle FED so mika and the GED is kya me mana it was given 126 degree ka and the GEF see how much is given that has to be find out ka si puto ka to inatra then FED is perpendicular na how much will be it will be 90 so 126 degree minus 90 it will be equal to angle GEF and sorry 126 90 kai do the 6 later ni 36 that is the value of angle GEF clear second tareka kai go siba okay last one ka pin is FGE putok te natra FGE kai lai FGE that is here ka si angle se aina ka bahum to ri se ka ta si ka ma ne nga ekoi kari khange se sidagi ekoi na CE angle siga mana la su yare naga triangle dagi form tawraga si putho su yare ka and darbe ngo khamba khang dabra ai ka aduna koina sida let's go with the triangle the triangle lor gum ja ka su ke dawre se sigi angle siga 190 tai natra dagi 190 si khai do su yare ka aduna ngo let's go with that linear pair ka we also knew that kari khange sum of angles in a linear pair is can have a 180 natra. Then look at this angle AGE plus angle kanano FGE. It will be equal to 190. So AGE was how much? That was 126 plus FGE it will be equal to 190. So FGE will be 190 minus 126. This is how much? 0 minus 6 is 4. 7 7 minus 2 is 5. Now we are able to find all the three angles. Clear with it? You can note it down. Okay, let's go with the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says, figure it out. Okay, question number 4. We draw the figure. This sorry, it's number 1. Okay. So this will be P, this will be Q, this will be R, this is S, this is T. So angle this will be 130 and this will be how much? 110. The man in the corner. So let's write down what are the givens in the text in the questions. Question that P regarding this question. Question given the PQ is parallel with ST and angle PQT is equal to 110. Angle RST is given 130 degree. Angle QRS. Figures the say equina kari ubangam gab the yangoka. PQ ga ST ga parallel where PQ is here, ST is here. From the diagram itself, we can see that these two lines are parallel. Then after that, what are the angles given? PQT is here. See angles P. This will be how much? 110 P. And the RST is given here. That is the value of 130. So QRS means which angle? We have to find this. And Daraba. Adu yang CJ putokoya line when putokoya command with the help of the kanano hints given ka man hints kari P kay daw high and koy directly puto dum yai ka the koy naman is the hint kaya draw a line parallel to S3 through R. ST का parallel होए लगा R द line हम सिंगो है तो ताकि कमाई सिंगो इन से सीधा लानी and the line drawn with the black color is another. It is a construction part. Let's name it as a RST like let's name it as A and this is B and told us it. Can that about? I'm going to come. And you can let it go. Also, at the point of R have a point so that we can see a parallel line with the PQ as well as Canano ST. Parallel line ni phangdra aina sigi value khangaba sigi value khangaba ngadai ka azuna tragana siga siga parallel ora bina sigi all values kana hoiduna this will be the sum of 130 natra so the putho su yare antraga c ni jet ahum jet jana ka 190 ta la su yare ado the putho su yai ka but let's go with the easiest one find line by yang senga yan ta ta da bra tai ka da ya la yang PQ का AB का पैरेलल हुए लौरसी नंतर बस AB का sorry PQ का AB का पैरेलल हुए रबनीना the sum of angle of कहीं है कोई ना coincident angle है कितना C की angle C की angle से है कितना नानो ARQ से कहीं ताने this will be coincident angle ताब तबरा ताइका the coincident angle वही ताने कहीं है the sum of these two will be how much 180 natra the 180 that we can find the values of ARQ butone kan tai ka abinash khangi natra ibas khangi ka adagi mathang kai lage nga once we have the values of this ARQ ki angle se phanga mathung da ekona ke dawre se c angle siga sigam kari se me with respect to the ST as well as AB ST ka AB ka parallel oire rabina ke dawre these two angles will be again equal ang manaroidra Manarika, these two are alternate angles. Tumiga, alternate angle of the Asian Manarani. And Darba, the line of a pair and drop, the whole Asian construction the Kanantaba, we draw Kanaye AB parallel with Kanagano ST and R. And the whole Asian solution the we have canal area house PQ is parallel with canalina AB ga with that canal angle canal area PQR plus angle ARQ will be 190 can you these two are co-interior angle when I never know yaw rabanga then that was that. So PQR is how much? 110. Then ARQ will be 190 minus 110. So ARQ will be 180 degree minus 110. That will be how much? ARQ will be 70 degree. Clear? Simulate ka. Atagi mo yang again canal area koi na ST is parallel with AB simulate ka atene koi kali khange angle kanano RST will be equal with kanaga with ba ARS sumbra kali hina sa these two are alternate angle Jamika the RST can say it was given 130 degree. So ARST kana plus are ARQ plus QRS. Sumika. Adi kana say 130 ARQ depende kya pangre. It was 70 from the equation number 1 plus QRS. Sikai jalaiba from equation number 1 then QRS will be how much 130 minus 70 that is QRS is how much that will be of 60 degree then darba ngani ka yan daw siba lebi yan taribra sampa Yan tari ka. Okay, note it down. Sinjalo sima. Yan ka. Okay, let's wipe this again. Question number 5 sing tanga. Ayay mo pagta, doon bra. May mga doon di. Perhaps it hin na bitbigay yung ka. Ako'y try to mo ngambre, no? Look at the question number 5. Ayun ito mo sila. Sa hin bigay yung ano ko mag-try to ro ka. Question number 5 to ko mag-bigay yung So, homework, that is question number 5. Figure na yan, ha? Figure niya ito kasi. May explain na ibig tawag ka. Ano ka nagkuha yung homework try toro? Ano homework people sida if none of you response ka. Kananta naghangi na trakhang diyan na pao pilit traba. WhatsApp ki through the nikangde, comment the nikangde, at the popular kagadi, I will consider that this question is done. Ka, question say, hungry and love me, therefore it won't be repeated. Ka, I'm gonna halaway. So, you know, I can repeat say, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. This will be P, this is Q, this is R, this angle is 50, this is X, this is Y, and this is 120. Sorry, 127. Ka, ang isna ka na ano, X, Y hang mani. Yung nga? Isna na ibig tawag yung ka. Luyam live po ni. Yan tara ba siya? Yung nga? Sida mana kari P, A, B have siga, C, D have siga, parallel no era pire. Parallel no era kita mo angle sigi P, sigi have kana no, A, P, Q siga kana wera ni, angle Q siga kai wera alternate angle tara ni. Taro ibra, tara abine kai daure, these two angle will be equal. Sinse mana rani ka, siga, have kana no se, ay sida hin ni ka piri sa, ay na poi na pasano holo. Kana no se 50 siga kana gano x siga manani kari no se alternate angle wera ni yan tara ba adi mana hangi ba angle x to puto ba uji yam lani puto tra putai ka next to kai lakya no sidal lai ba kana no se 127 siga sigi apun bazu kai tare these two again form the alternate angle tabra yan dai ka ai ba sidaki koi na triangle की concept से नरगे लाये मुका triangle concept तो so far कोई अजू नहीं नजरी का नहीं नदा बनी ना तो बुसला रोई के कोई न तम्मी बा alternate angle transversal से तो तुम होला सिका देखिए ना 127 आवे से कना का माना दो ना सिके अपन बा गंदा का 127 डिग्री से कना का माना गनी angle APR का गंदा बा the APR से कना ना 50 plus y natra asidagi y bitokpa yaroidra yani natra sisu karigino manani sa sisu kai manai sa manai karino alternate angle oi begini angani ka yantai ko sia ngamani ka tu hot pa ka si question sima he homework to ro yantai ka hinsima sin ge su silo aduga he homework to the line na buka yaradra pare ngadu de masigi dis talo selese question naman katanga hawre ka hai be question se ai matang class ta next class to hola sika yani ka okay then exam su question lag tre nari pajja bachana pargi umda tek ta kaidana na ta yiktana leiba wayuka okay then see you all in the next class okay bye